Welcome back, friends. Quite recently, we were dealing with the second part of the basic numerical skills area, progression. You know what is meant by progression. First of the case, we were dealing with arithmetic progression, its application level cases, activities. I hope you are aware about various steps has to be followed and various cases relating to different types of progression, some of n terms of arithmetic progression, different cases. Followed by it, we were dealing with arithmetic mean, different cases in arithmetic mean. When sum of an arithmetic progression is given, whereby you need to find the value of 3 unknown values as well as 4 unknown values. And after that, we've dealt with geometry progression. You know what is meant by geometry progression, equation, different cases. We will further deal with different situations or cases relating to arithmetic progression. Next one, which term of the series given 2 followed by 1, 1 by 2, it's going on till 1 by 2048. From that, we can extract the known values such as a equal to 2, r equal to 1 by 2. We don't know the value of n because in the question it is asked which term of the series is 1 by 2048. And Tn equal to 1 by 2048. In the previous cases, you were asked to find Tn, that is in this situation 1 by 2048. In the previous session, you were asked to find the value of Tn. And in that cases, you will be given n, r and a. It's another pattern of the question. Okay, let's substitute the available values in the equation. Tn equal to ar raised to n minus 1. You will get 1 by 2048 equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into n minus 1. That is 1 by 2048 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into n minus 1. Here we did that in the right hand side. You have 2 into 1 by 2 raised to 1 n minus 1. Just converted or transferred that to the left hand side of the equal sign. When the 2 comes to the other side of the equal sign, it will be fraction 1 by 2. If you transferred a single value to another side of the equal sign, it will be in fraction form. Or else if you have transferred another number like 1 by 2 to the other side of the equal sign, it will be a single value, that is 2. In this situation, we transfer 2 to the left hand side of the equal sign, you will get 1 by 2048 into 1 by 2. I hope you are aware about the basic mathematical step, that is equal to 1 by 2 into n minus 1. Next, you need to deal with the left hand side of the equal sign, that is 1 by 2048 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4096 equal to 1 by 2 into n minus 1. Here, till now, all are familiar with the basic mathematics steps. Whenever an arithmetic progression case or a progression situations where you have to deal with geometric progression cases, remember from this point onwards, we are following a specific step that will be applicable in all similar cases of this type of questions. So, once you arrived at 1 by 4096 equal to 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1, remember from this step onwards, it's a common procedure. Here, change the 4096 to its exponential form. Exponential form means you need to find the fraction. You need to take the fraction of 4096. You will arrive at a common number such that the number raised to some power, you will get 4096. For example, for 32, by taking fraction, you will get 2 raised to 5. 2 power 2 and 2 subscript to something value. Just like you need to find the fraction of 4096. By mathematical fractional computation methods, you will get 1 by 2 raised to 12. Here 4096 is the fraction of 2, where if we multiply 2 12 times, you will get 4096. So be aware and cautious about how to find the fraction of every number. I think in the previous session we have dealt with fraction situations. You will be aware about how to take fraction. Just be familiar with the concept and step. Okay, once you find the exponential form of any number, or in this case 4096, you will get 1 by 2 raised to 12 equal to 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. Here this just I noted for the verification. Okay, next step. Here, the left hand side it is 1 by 2 raised to 12 and the right side it's 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1. From that we can extract n minus 1 equal to 12 because we just selected the superscripts of the both the sides where n equal to 13. This is how whenever a geometry progression with application case situation consisting of this complication, you need to follow these steps. So remember, you need to take the fraction, and fraction, where to take the fraction, how to take the fraction, you just remember whenever this situation comes. Okay, next case. If the fifth term and the term of a geometric progression are 32 and 1024 respectively, find the first term and the r. You need to find the first term, that is a, and r. R means the common ratio. Let's extract all things that is given in the question in the meaningful form. Okay, let a be first term. We know that a be first term. Instead of using x and 5, they are in this case they are using the same variables itself. It's up to your discretion whether to use a or x or d, whatever maybe. It's your convenience or your like. Let's a be the first term and r be the r term. Instead of x and y, we used a and r, such that t5 is given 32 and t10 is 1024. I know, and we all know what is meant by t5 and t10 of the geometric progression, such that by substituting the available data in the equation, you will get tn equal to ar n minus 1. Thereby, t subscript of 5 equal to a into r is to 5 minus 1. We all know how to write this t5. Okay, next one, t5. In the question it is given t5 is 32 followed by a. We don't know what is a, and r. No, we have no idea. Okay, r raised to 5 minus 1, that is 0. Sorry, 4. Let this be a r raised to 4 equal to 32. Let it be the equation a. Followed by, following the similar step, you will get equation b where a r raised to 9 equal to 1024. I hope till this step all are aware about how to take a r raised to 4, a r raised to 9, how to arrive at equation a and equation b. From this step onwards, we are going to follow a procedure that will be common for almost all cases relating to this application level question in case of a geometric progression. Just like the situation or a procedure which we have followed in the previous session, we will follow a similar like technique in this technique too, or in this method too. Just follow. Whenever such situations come, just first of all arrive at equation a and b. Next step, this will be similar to almost all cases, just familiarize it. Divide b by a. There is no specification regarding whether to divide b with a. The concept is that you need to divide the bigger case with the smaller case. Here ar raised to 9 is a bigger one, ar raised to 4 is a smaller one. So remember that you need to follow that like that. There is no rule regarding you need to multiply b with a. It's up to the conscious. Next one. ar raised to 9 by ar raised to 4 equal to 1024 divided by 32. That is, here a and a will be cancelled. That is the basic mathematical step we follow. And r raised to 9 and r raised to divided by r raised to 4. We can cut the values and you will arrive at r raised to 5. I hope you know how to find r5. Next one, 1024 divided by 32, you will get 32. Finally, r raised to 5 is 32. By taking the fraction of 32, you will get r equal to 2. So remember, whenever this type of questions or situations come, you need to find equation A and B followed by taking the proper association or division of equations, you will get the value of R. Next, by substituting the value of R in any of the equation, that's up to you, you will get, here we substitute the value of R in equation A so that T5 equal to A into R raised to 5 minus 1 equal to 32, whereby A into 2 raised to 5 minus 1 equal to 32 and finally A equal to 2. Okay. Next one. Find the 10th term of geometric progression whose 8th term is 192 and the R is 2. Find the 10th term of geometric progression whose 8th term is 132 and the R is 2. Let's extract the known values. Here T8, T subscript of 8, 192 and R equal to 2, where 8, T8 equal to AR superscript 8 minus 1. By substituting the values, you will get 192 equal to A into 2 raised to 7 equal 192 equal 128A. You got 128 by multiplying 2 7 times. And finally, A equal to 192 by 128, you will get 3 by 2. Therefore, T10 equal AR raised to 10 minus 1, that is A. The value of A is 3 by 2. We have just found here. By substituting the 3 by 2 in this situation, 3 by 2 into 2 raised to 9, finally you will get 768. I hope you have gone through all these cases. In case of any clearance or doubts, just contact me. That's all for today. Thank you.